Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the PHP. So today we are going to learn how to read CSV in PHP. So let's see how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. To read the CSV, this is my sample CSV file, and this is handle f open. So this is open only on read only path, right? And this is a while loop for f get CSV that helps to read the CSV part, right? So let's see what the data is coming up. So I'm going to print the row. So let me add this print underscore r, that's to be a row. Okay, and make it echo, so we will get all the things pre. Okay, and this is to be added over here. So let's hit this one. So let me add this in the terminal. No, so let me open with the terminal here. Open terminal. PHP CSV dot PHP, right? So you can see that all the data is coming up. Okay, so this is all that are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is how we are able to read, and whatever you want to insert it, then you can write a query to insert the data and save into the database. We are coming up in the next video. This way you can read the CSV with this method. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. This is the code. Okay, this is very easy and the simple code. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.